Good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the markets, guys. Market Beast edition of this channel. Fellow compadre, of course, speaking to you guys. Now, we're going to go back over this, guys, and I know I'm going to get some comments in the comment section about this. This isn't the first time or the last time that I'll be wrong on a particular instrument, so let's go ahead and get used to that. But we're just going to go over a few things just to, make sure that everything is as it should be, and my losses on this particular instrument. And yeah, so let's just get right into it, guys. The lines are still the same: pink, green, red. I'm gonna go over all that for you, and if you're new here, I'll go over it for you as well briefly here. So let's dive into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's October the 28th, 2020. The current previous close of WORX is going to be $1.19, down about 9.1% for the day. Ouch. All right, so this is it, guys. For the noobs who are just joining us, again, welcome. We were basically looking at this WORX instrument. We had a line of interest, which is green illustrated here, at about $1.36 on the chart. And the most recent video we came out with was us trying to predict the future as to whether or not that it would create the same pattern that it previously did here on these 5 candles right here. We noticed that there was a breakdown below $1.36 on this day, and shortly thereafter, so you're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days later, it broke back above. So we said, okay, well, it happened before, why can't it happen again? So we're looking at this area here, and we noticed that this candle broke below the $1.36 level, and we knew within 5 to 6 days we may have a potential move similar to this one. Looks kind of weird. Look at that. I'll put some nice. There you go. And so basically this 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, the 5th day, this is when I was like, oh, it's not looking good. And it did look like it had potential to move back up, but obviously at least we had enough time. Well, at least I had enough time to get myself stopped out at this pink level down here at about $1.22. And let's just kind of, whatever happens to it tomorrow just happens to it. And of course, I'll be probably the first person in American history, well, one of many, right, where it actually goes down. It stops me out, and of course, it goes up 4,000% to the upside. I mean, that's typical stock behavior, right? I'm sure I'm not the only one who's experienced that. So that's what I'm seeing here, guys. I'm actually stopped out of the market completely. I'm not re-entering this market just yet until I can see some sort of behavior suggesting that there will be a turnaround here in the short term. Let's see, we're going to close this 3-day candle tomorrow. Now, I mean, if something changes tomorrow, let's just say, I don't know, maybe this 3-day candle here is like it turns into some sort of reversal candle, right, over the next 24 hours. So that basically would look something like, let's see, the post market is at 118. So it basically have to have a move up to about 8% to the upside at $1.28. I mean, that's fine, guys, but I don't like, I don't do that with these plays. I mean, I set my stop loss. I identify a entry level. If it doesn't work out, then that's pretty much it. I mean, it can continue to go down. If I see a reason to re-enter the market after it goes down, or if it just goes back up and it leaves me, that's fine. I don't get emotional and chase the markets, okay? And neither should you, okay? So let's see, the 3 days is not suggesting any real buying interest. There's no real wick below the candle just yet. So that's something that, the reason why I'm not enticed to just kind of jump back in this market. The weekly, same thing, guys. There's nothing excitingly bullish about these candles pointing to the downside. The weekly still has a day and 23 hours, less than 48 hours to close. So that's that. So everything's pointing to the downside. Again, there could be a quick reversal, but I'm not interested in trying to, catch this thing as it's fallen. I've identified that level at 136. It broke, so hey, it is what it is, right? So that's what I wanted to stop in and let you guys know. I'm out of that play, and until further notice, I won't be touching it until, something presents itself on the chart here. But remember, let's not forget, okay? These levels that I've identified up here near the $2.15 level, these levels are clear. So as soon as this thing has some sort of reversal, that suggests that it's going to be a reversal on the, let's call it the weekly or higher. Let's say we get a nice reversal candle on the weekly or possibly even the 3-day, but I'd prefer the weekly since it's been in such a nasty downtrend. Then and only then is when I would consider re-entering this market. But yeah, I'm out. Meh. So that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for stopping in. Be sure to leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there. Leave a comment down below saying, yeah, dude, told you you're going to get wrecked. That's fine, guys. I'm always open to constructive criticism. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more symbols like this, where you're actually going to get stopped out and lose money, right? Look forward to that. And that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. Thanks for stopping in. My new subscribers, loyal subscribers. I'll be talking with you guys soon. And click that video on the screen there just to make sure I actually made an accurate call at some point in the past. You can verify that. Of course, leave your comments as necessary. That's it, guys. I'm out of here. Thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you in the next video.